Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best sentimental friendship gifts out there, the Hendson Rose Gold Compact Mirror. If you're searching for a meaningful and stylish way to show your best friend how much they mean to you, this compact mirror might just be the perfect choice. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this compact mirror impresses with its luxurious rose gold finish. It's not just a practical beauty accessory, it's a keepsake designed to celebrate friendship and love. The mirror is elegantly rectangular, measuring just under 3 inches long and 2.5 inches wide, making it the ideal size to slip easily into any purse or handbag. Whether your friend is getting ready at home or on the go, this mirror is always there for quick touch-ups. The quality of this product is notable. It's crafted from sturdy stainless steel, so it's built to last. It resists daily wear, rust, fading, scratches, and deformations, which means it will stay beautiful for years to come. What makes this compact mirror extra special is the laser-engraved message on the front, "I love you, friend." This sentiment makes it more than just a mirror. It's a heartfelt reminder of the bond you share with your bestie. When it comes to gifting, Hendson has thought it through. The compact mirror arrives in a beautifully designed pink marble gift box, ready to give without any additional wrapping needed. This presentation adds a touch of luxury and care, making it a wonderful choice for birthdays, Christmas, graduations, or any day you want to celebrate your friendship. It's also a perfect gift for friends who may be long distance, allowing them to carry a piece of your friendship wherever they go. The design is sleek and modern, with a polished rose gold finish that catches the eye. It fits well into both casual and elegant settings, which means your friend can use it anywhere. From bathroom counters to dressing rooms, or even as a stylish accessory on a desk. The mirror's portability is a standout feature. It's lightweight at just over 3.5 ounces and requires no assembly, so it's ready to use right out of the box. The rectangular shape is classic and functional, offering clear reflections for makeup application or quick glances. Hendson, a brand founded on Long Island, New York, is known for creating meaningful gifts that connect people and celebrate relationships. This compact mirror is a great example of their mission. It's a gift that's designed to leave a lasting impression, combining utility with emotional value. In summary, the Hendson Rose Gold Compact Mirror is a thoughtful and elegant way to say, "I love you," to your best friend. Its durable construction, heartfelt engraving, and gift-ready packaging make it a standout choice for sentimental friendship gifts. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or just because, this compact mirror is sure to brighten your friend's day and remind them of your special connection. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.